We're breaking down the techniques that the French Laundry, a 3 Michelin star restaurant, uses so you can elevate your chicken stock at home. As a bonus, I'm going to show you how to clarify the stock into a consommé at the end. The full video, as well as our recipe on how to break down the chicken, is linked in the description. For an umami-packed stock with a nice body, the French Laundry uses chicken wings and feet. Both of these parts are high in collagen, which breaks down into gelatin, containing glutamates. MSG, baby. A similar stock can be made with regular chicken bones and reducing it by 1/3. To have the clear stock possible, we have to remove as much excess protein and fat as possible, which can cloud the stock. The French Laundry starts by rinsing the chicken bones under hot water until the water is clear. This helps remove the excess proteins, which will turn into impurities while the stock cooks. Place 1,000 grams of chicken wings with 180 grams of chicken feet into a stock pot, filling with 1,500 grams of cold water, which will help keep the impurities larger, making skimming easier. The easiest way to remove all the impurities is slowly bringing this up to a convection simmer, which is created by having the pot halfway off the burner and bringing it to a simmer. I like to start with a fine mesh spider to remove any large impurities as I can. Then I go in with a large spoon and a bowl of water to remove all the remaining impurities. The water will help remove the impurities from the spoon. To remove the fat, turn off the heat and add in 800 grams of ice, which will congeal the fat, making it easier to skim. Place this back fully on the burner and bring to a simmer. Cook for 90 minutes, skimming as the fat and impurities rise to the surface. The French Laundry has 3 guidelines for adding vegetables. First is to peel your vegetables. Do not treat your stock like a garbage can. Peels, as well as the dirt bombs, can add dirty taste to your stock, especially when reduced. Second is that they only use sweet vegetables. Celery will make the stock taste a little bitter. Third, to extract the most flavor from the vegetables, add them in the last 35 to 45 minutes. To the stock pot, add in 90 grams each of carrots, leeks, white and green parts only, and onions, all cut in a 1-inch dice. The remaining aromatics are 8 grams of crushed and peeled garlic, 8 grams of fresh thyme, 8 peppercorns, and 1 bay leaf. Fresh is preferred. Once the vegetables have contributed their goodness, turn off the heat and let the stock rest for 20 minutes to allow any particles to fall to the bottom of the pot. To prevent any impurities in the finished stock, the French Laundry uses a ladle to gently remove the stock from the pot, being careful not to move the bones, which can stir up the impurities. Once the stock starts to get low, tilt the pot to reach the rest of the stock. Discard any remaining stock on the bottom, which is cloudy and full of impurities. The carrots make a great treat for your dog. Just don't give them any onions or bones. To prevent any bacteria from growing, place the stock over an ice bath to properly cool. Then place into containers. Stock will stay good in the fridge for 5 days, but for long-term storage, place in the freezer. Just make sure to leave an air gap in the container for the stock to expand. It has nice body, nice strong chicken flavor, and the garlic is a really nice addition. One of the things that stuck out was the short cook time of the stock, which is good because my wife hates when I cook stock. Also, the stock is pretty concentrated, so if you want a little weaker stock, just add some water. To clarify the stock into a crystal clear stock known as a consommé, add 200 grams of chicken into a food processor. Add in 2 egg whites, then 30 grams each of carrots, onions, and leeks. Place this into a container with 1 large sprig of thyme. Heat 2 quarts of stock to 100 degrees Fahrenheit in a heavy bottom pot and whisk in the raft. Continue whisking until the stock reaches 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring this up to a light simmer to allow the raft to float to the surface and collect all the impurities. Cut a window into the raft large enough to fit a ladle and base the top of the raft to set it. Allow this to cook for 20 to 30 minutes, then let it rest for 10 minutes. Carefully ladle out the consommé, being careful not to stir up the raft. Strain this through a linen-like to remove any small pieces of raft. Consommé has a ton of flavor and it's crystal clear. I could drink this whole bowl. If you want to learn how to create your own elevated dish at home, you should check out my dish creation workshop, linked in the description. To use this stock, you should check out this French Laundry recipe next.